Millions of people deal and suffer with joint and bone pain on a daily basis. If you're experiencing pain in the knees, hands, elbows, shoulders, and elsewhere in the body, you might have conditions that include arthritis, arthrosis, and several others. But believe it or not, there are many home remedies and natural supplements you can take to relieve your condition. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal what best home remedies and natural supplements you can take to relieve your symptoms naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch the new video. If you need to line an appointment or quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com. And I encourage you to stay till the end of this video, where I'm going to reveal extra tips and video links related to this topic. Suffering joint and bone pain on a daily basis can be very frustrating, especially if this is interfering with your daily activities. This pain or inflammation can sometimes come and go depending if the climate changes, if you wake up in the morning, or when you go about your daily activities. You might experience stiffness, a loss of flexibility, pain, tenderness, or even swelling, all of which are very frustrating to experience. But no matter what the situation is, there are plenty of natural remedies and supplements you can take to relieve your pain, stiffness, or mobility issues. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the best home remedies and natural supplements you can take to relieve your symptoms naturally and effectively. Number 1, curcumin. Curcumin is one of the most popular supplements used today to treat several types of pain, including joint pain, arthritis, and inflammatory conditions. And it's become very popular because this natural home remedy can be accessed by anyone all over the world. The pain-relieving effect of curcumin can be found in turmeric. More than 100 active components have been isolated from turmeric, including, for example, a special substance that includes turmerone and many others. But the most active ingredient in turmeric is considered to be curcumin. Just so you have a good idea of how powerful curcumin can be, in one study, researchers investigated the effects of curcumin supplements given to rheumatoid arthritis patients and comparing them to conventional arthritic drugs. The curcumin group showed the highest percent of improvements overall in these patients, significantly better than patients treated with conventional drugs. Curcumin is known to be one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories found in nature. Curcumin relieves joint inflammation and reduces the swelling of these joints, relieving that pain in many structural health conditions. So if you want to consume curcumin to relieve that bone or joint pain, I suggest you consume it along with black pepper. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, helping it have a better effect and action in the body. And if you need a quality supplement for joint and bone pain due to inflammation, you can find CurcuHealth at drlandivar.com. CurcuHealth contains a 95% curcumin extract with bioperin that ensures the absorption of the supplement for maximum effect. Number 2, proteolytic enzymes. This might be the first time you hear about proteolytic enzymes, and the truth is that these enzymes need a lot more attention than they're getting today. Proteolytic enzymes aid the body in the digestion of protein and foods that we ingest. These have been found to be extremely beneficial with regards to joint and bone pain. These enzymes include, for example, pancreatic proteases like chymotrypsin, trypsin, bromelain, which is found in pineapple, papain, which is found in papaya, fungal proteases also like Serratia peptidases. And proteolytic enzymes have anti-inflammatory effects because they help improve that gut health and that immunity. They're so effective that some doctors are using specific enzymes to help patients in the treatment of serious conditions like cancer. I personally use pancreatic enzymes along with a good quality probiotic formula to relieve acne. Believe it or not, it's amazing. But with regards to joint pain, research shows that it can decrease the pain and swelling associated with rheumatoid arthritis, increases motility, and in people with osteoarthritis, even fights infection by controlling inflammatory responses. The best way to take these is by consuming a capsule of good quality enzymes with every single meal, to make sure that all that food you're ingesting is being properly digested, not causing any problems that later result in inflammation to your bones and your joints, etc. If you need a quality product that contains 18 different proteolytic enzymes for your condition, visit drlandivar.com. On our webpage, you're going to find D-enzymes, one of the best concentrations available in the market. Number 3, ginger. Ginger is one of those incredibly useful home remedies with several uses in natural medicine. Believe it or not, ginger contains chemicals that may be analgesic and have anti-inflammatory effects on the body. To prove this, in several research studies, ginger has demonstrated to lessen the pain associated with arthritis and improve digestive health also. One of these studies was published in 2005 in the Journal of Medicinal Foods, confirming that ginger extract can inhibit the induction of several genes associated and involved in inflammatory responses. I've discovered that one of the best ways to take ginger is coupling it with celery juice and taking it every morning for breakfast. This can really make a difference in people that suffer with joint pain. In just a couple of minutes, I'll go ahead and talk about celery also, which is another very important vegetable that can be used for joint pain. Number 4, glucosamine. Glucosamine might not seem like a natural substance, but it is. Glucosamine is a natural component of cartilage, a substance that prevents the bones from rubbing against each other in the body and causing pain and inflammation. This substance can prevent the cartilage from breaking down, which happens very often if you have joint or bone pain. And in case you didn't know yet, many natural supplements that treat joint pain contain glucosamine, which is one of the most well-studied supplements for inflammatory conditions of the joints and bones. Many scientific studies have shown that glucosamine can help regenerate and prevent the destruction of cartilage in conditions like, for example, osteoarthritis that happens very often. If you have osteoarthritis, you might experience, for example, symptoms that include joint pain, stiffness, tenderness and swelling, and even the loss of flexibility, among other symptoms. So if this is what you have, glucosamine can help. This natural substance is even better if you couple it with other ingredients that enhance its action, like MSM, chondroitin, and even minerals like zinc, selenium, or copper. We're going to talk about some of these in just a little bit, but if you need a quality supplement that contains glucosamine and 23 other ingredients for joint and bone pain, you can find Extra Flex at drlandivar.com. Number 5, celery. This vegetable is truly amazing. I use it a lot in patients that have a tendency to accumulate uric acid in their blood and cause later on joint inflammation. But apart from this, studies show that celery contains several key components that help decrease that inflammation in the body. Celery doesn't only decrease the symptoms in inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, but also in conditions like Crohn's disease, and protects you against chronic diseases as well. I think that the best way you can use celery to reduce joint inflammation is by combining this with ginger and green apples. Try to juice on these 3 ingredients once a day, maybe for breakfast or dinner, whatever you want, whichever you prefer. If you're someone that experiences pain in your hands, your feet, or your knees, especially after having red meats or beer, celery juice is for you. Try to cut back on red meats and any food that produces uric acid. I have an entire video on this subject if you want to check it out right after this video. How to decrease uric acid levels naturally. Number 6, chondroitin. Chondroitin is another very effective natural substance you can take to relieve joint pain. This substance is a building block of cartilage and can also help prevent the breakdown of this substance. Just like glucosamine, chondroitin is another very effective natural supplement that has proven to be effective in several clinical studies to reduce that joint pain or that stiffness in people with osteoarthritis especially. The only downside to these supplements is that with all chronic conditions, you have to consume them regularly for a long period of time and many times for life. Now the good part is that they can really help. Number 7, MSM. MSM is one of the most popular supplements used today to decrease joint and muscle pain. The supplement is shown to benefit those with joint degeneration in the knees, for example, back, the hands, and even hips. What MSM does is significantly reduce the inflammation in the body and inhibit the breakdown of cartilage and therefore relieve pain related to joint degeneration. You can find MSM together with chondroitin or glucosamine and other important ingredients in, for example, Extra Flex. Number 8, collagen. Collagen is a type of protein found in our bodies that helps build those joints and keep connective tissue strong. Now, collagen contains 19 different amino acids. All these have essential roles for mental and physical health, including, for example, keeping you pain-free. In simple terms, collagen is a glue that helps put the body together. Its benefits include, for example, supporting healthy muscle growth, decreasing arthritis symptoms, healing those artery walls, the digestive tract, boosting energy, and even helping us recover cartilage from that degeneration. And you can find collagen in supplement form also, such as in collagen, protein powders, or you can obtain it naturally from consuming real bone broth. Collagen is great for bone and joint pain. I have an entire whole video on this topic if you want to check it out right after this video. Help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlanebar.com. And I suggest you check out these other videos related to this topic. You're going to find valuable information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.